Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life video presentation.
CoQ10, or coenzyme Q10, is a vital compound your body uses for energy production, antioxidant protection, and overall cellular vitality. It plays a central role in mitochondrial function, helping convert nutrients into ATP, the energy that powers every cell. CoQ10 also protects cell membranes from oxidative stress and supports the health of major organs, especially the heart. Adequate CoQ10 levels help maintain steady energy, cardiovascular strength, and long-term metabolic balance. Chemically, CoQ10 is a fat-soluble quinine with the formula C59H90O4. Its structure includes a long isoprenoid tail that allows it to move freely within cell membranes, especially inside mitochondria. This unique design enables CoQ10 to shuttle electrons during energy production and act as a powerful antioxidant. Its dual role supporting ATP synthesis and protecting cells makes CoQ10 indispensable for metabolic efficiency and cellular resilience. Inside your cells, CoQ10 is a key component of the electron transport chain, the process responsible for generating the majority of your body's energy. It helps transfer electrons between complexes, ensuring efficient ATP production. CoQ10 also regenerates other antioxidants, reduces oxidative stress, and supports healthy mitochondrial turnover. These functions contribute to stable energy levels, improved endurance, and long-term metabolic health. CoQ10 plays an essential role in supporting both brain and heart health. The brain relies on CoQ10 to maintain mitochondrial function and protect neurons from oxidative damage. The heart, one of the most energy-demanding organs, depends heavily on CoQ10 for optimal performance. Adequate levels support healthy blood flow, improve cellular energy, and better cognitive and cardiovascular resilience. When CoQ10 levels drop, fatigue, brain fog, and reduced stamina can follow. Research shows that CoQ10 levels naturally decline with age, stress, and certain medications. Low levels are associated with reduced mitochondrial efficiency, increased oxidative stress, and diminished cardiovascular function. Studies highlight that restoring CoQ10 can improve energy production, enhance exercise capacity, and support healthier inflammatory balance. Supplementation has also been shown to benefit individuals experiencing fatigue or metabolic slowdown. Peer-reviewed studies link CoQ10 to improved heart health, enhanced mitochondrial activity, and better neurological function. Scientists continue exploring its role in aging, metabolic regulation, and cellular repair. Its ability to support ATP production and protect cells from oxidative damage makes CoQ10 a cornerstone nutrient for long-term vitality and healthy aging. You can increase your CoQ10 intake through foods such as salmon, tuna, sardines, beef, chicken, and organ meats. Plant-based sources like peanuts, sesame seeds, broccoli, and spinach also contribute smaller amounts. These nutrient-dense foods help support energy production, cardiovascular health, and overall metabolic balance. For individuals who may not get enough CoQ10 from diet, especially older adults or those with higher energy demand, supplements are widely available. The two main forms are ubiquinone and ubiquinol, with ubiquinol being the more readily absorbed. These supplements support mitochondrial function, cardiovascular health, and overall energy levels. Your body thrives when CoQ10 levels are optimal. This essential coenzyme supports energy, mental clarity, cardiovascular strength, and metabolic efficiency. Maintaining healthy levels can help you feel more vibrant, focused, and physically capable throughout your day, especially during periods of stress or increased activity. Make CoQ10 a supportive part of your wellness routine. Your heart, your energy, and your long-term vitality will benefit from stronger mitochondrial function and enhanced antioxidant protection. Stay committed to your health journey and continue watching the series to build a more energized, resilient, and balanced you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We're dropping fresh videos often to keep the momentum going. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Let's build unstoppable energy and vitality together. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website integrativenutritionforlife.com and reach out via email today. Connect with a very smart, knowledgeable, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.